Alrighty guys, y'all see that? We getting ready to put this mug in. Here you go guys. EV, this is a Chrysler Pacifica. I can't tell what year, but it's a hybrid edition guys. Alright, so battery failed based off the trouble code that was issued. We cannot order a battery, we cannot replace a battery on our own. Everything is documented, everything is recorded, everything is based off a freaking check engine light of some sort. Okay, now that battery set up here, of course. Yeah, you can see cooling hoses right here where it's fed cooling. There's a lot of go into EV. This is a hybrid edition, like I say. Now what throws people off, or what disrupt people from wanting one, is the price tag on this thing. But guys, have no fear, this is a 10-year warranty item here guys, so you don't have to worry about no freaking battery for a whole nother 10 years. All right, so how many of y'all gonna keep a car for 10 years? Not too many people gonna hang on to a car for 10 years. And this is a Mopar battery. We don't use those Derman EV batteries around here. So go ahead and get you one, man. Don't panic. You get the luxury of being able to run off fuel as well as EV. Okay, you see the big E up there, or as well as electric. All right, so don't let the price tag of this fool you, because you probably never have to come out of pocket to purchase one. 10 years warranty on just about all EV batteries. All right, where do it go from here? I don't know. We just supposed to box it up and send it back to them. All right, so let me get to work, man. We got to get this thing in. Now you're supposed to have, it's a lot of safety precautions go into this stuff guys. All right, we have become lax over the years because a lot of people find out it wasn't as serious they made it out to be. However, I will practice safety when I'm working on this thing. All right, so this stand right here, this is the actual stand for doing this job. A lot of people use this, a lot of shops use this for transmissions and engine, but it's actually designed for the EV vehicles and the batteries, transporting the batteries in and out of the car. All right guys, I'm talking too much. Let's get to work, man. I gotta go. I'll talk to y'all in the next video.